I am a raindrop, born far away in the clouds. When I was just a baby, I cried every day. I didn't know why. I tried to hold my tears, but I couldn't. I watched the other drops fall bravely in front of my eyes. I opened the sky's social media and saw places begging for rain. The other drops were always ready, but I wasn't. I grew up dreaming of joining them, hoping one day I could reach the earth and do something brave and good. But everything was against me. One time, I fell onto a hawk's wing, and fate threw me back into the clouds. Another time, I reached the hot ground and evaporated instantly. I tried to follow the others, but the wind kept pushing me upward. I faced so many hardships: burning heat, freezing oceans, fierce winds, strong sun, birds, airplanes. My tiny body wasn't strong enough to survive all of that, but I kept learning every step of the way. One day, I gathered all my strength and dropped deep, but I landed on a drone. It lifted me again. I evaporated, and a cloud caught me. I tried crossing the ocean, but I got lost in its endless dark. I was scared, so I returned home full of disappointment and tears. Every night, I slept holding my pillow, painfully sad. I went to the departure hall to join the other drops, but they didn't take me. It still wasn't my time. So I sat alone watching rain fall on distant lands through my tiny iPad, my heart heavy, my tears sinking into the pillow. Every morning I woke up waiting, asking, when will it be my turn? I kept watching the others, never knowing where they went or why. One day, I searched deeply and I discovered the truth. Every drop has a purpose, a place, and a perfect time. And I was ready. Since I was little, I loved kindness. I wanted to give love and receive it. Maybe my time hadn't come before, but now it had. I finally found the land that needed me. Dry soil, tired plants, living beings longing for one drop of water. Hearts needing warmth, animals and people needing life again. Yes, I am the sad raindrop, but my sadness became hope for many. My tears became their rain. The winds carried me fast to heal them. I became a drop of mercy, rushing to their thirst. I am the free raindrop, always longing, always carrying prayers. This is my secret life. Every drop has one. I never told you my secret. I am not sad anymore, because every day I get to make another soul happy. I am that raindrop. I am a story of love, a story of challenge, a story of patience and endless waiting. I am the one who longs for the rain, even though I am the rain. I am the secret of this eternal life. I told you my story, and now I must go. My duty calls me. Follow my journey, my longing, and my purpose. I am the raindrop who missed you, and the raindrop you always missed. Clouds carry me, I sleep in one, another finds me, and yet another holds me. I am the story of love between the sky and the earth. I am that suspended drop, carrying hope, mercy, and rain. I am a devoted servant. I am the precious, beloved raindrop. After all, I discovered the taste of success and loss. I learned the meaning of patience, persistence, and sacrifice. Now my joy comes from watching the happiness of others as I fall. I watch the rain touch every creature and the natural world. Everything has a meaning. My life has a new flavor, and theirs a new color. I never knew that my happiness would be tied to the joy of others. I never knew the delight of giving, as if I was born to give. This is who I am. I came from a rainy cloud, a healing rain, a drop of mercy.